Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at our wave 5 towards the upside still for an impulse, and we are currently in the wave 5 of this wave 5. Now after this wave 4 here, the bottom where we took the low, we have a 1 2 1 2 1 2 triple 1 2s 3 4 and a 5. Finish the first 4 5. Possibly we have now a second wave 4, which it might be finished, might be not. In, of course, your bullish scenario, it should be finished as WXY. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation towards the upside. Your wave 4 here has finished as WXY as explained before. So you have a W, an X, and a Y. Your wave Y has finished kind of like a zigzag. And you have started a new impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now the possibility reduced a little bit on the 1 hour chart where we took the 886 now, and we possibly still looking for lower. We're gonna see this on the 1 hour chart much clearer. Now in your bearish short-term scenario where you have probably a finished bull run here and you have top for a wave 5 here, your wave 4 has finished longer than before. Rather than finishing here, it has finished exactly at this point here where you have a W, X, and a Y. Your W is a zigzag, your X is a regular flat, A, B, C, D, E for a triangle, and of course a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a leading diagonal in your wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 3 was very high amount of volume, and a wave 5 also was a lower amount of volume but also very high. Now, after this, of course, you have started to see here a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 scenario. Of course, a bearish scenario, bearish market. You would like to close the CME gap with your wave 3 should reach the 1.618, 76,200. Another scenario could be after having 5 waves here, you have A, B, C, of course, for a zigzag. Your wave 1 as a zigzag should hit, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level at 87,000. Let us take this. This was the old one for the expanding flat. And now we have a 1-to-1 at 87,000 as mentioned. So basically this is a little bit higher scenario here that we might of course be in a zigzag or in a wave 3 towards the downside, and then 4, 5, and to close this CME gap, of course, until we see some signal of strength here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, and then continuation towards the upside. And that because of course of the scenario that we have in an A, W, X, and Y, probably finished a wave 4 here for your bullish scenario, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is possible. So we have to watch, of course, what's going on the 1 hour chart. So let's go to watch it and see what's going on here. So as you can see in the 1 hour chart, I have been talking about the WXY, which is exactly here as a W, X, and a Y. And of course, we're talking here about the bullish scenario where you want to finish a wave 4 here. And you have already here a 1, 2, of course, or even several 1, 2, or even just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can remove actually this. So we can keep only a 1 and then a 2 here. And then, yeah, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Now, if we take the fib levels taken from this bottom to this one for a wave 2, you can see clearly that we have overshooted the 0.786, which is not really nice to see for a wave 2. The 886 has been already touched, I think, twice right now. However, it has been touched, and it should be, of course, it should take the low again. And this reduces a little bit the possibility, of course, for a bullish scenario, because this is an impulse as well. Your wave A in a wave 2 must be a zigzag, right? And anyway, how much this wave B will go higher if you get another wave C, which should be similar, of course, to your wave A. Therefore, you're gonna reach this 1-to-1 fib level again. at 87,000. So therefore, the bullish scenario has a little bit less possibility, knowing that we're gonna see higher prices a little bit, of course, for a wave B and A, B, C in case, in case we are in A, B, and a C. Yeah, and then yeah. So for your bearish scenario, yeah, preferably even that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because after finishing here a wave 1 and then you have ABC for a wave 2, which is an expanding flat, or much more possible when you get an expanding flat. It is not really related to a zigzag, it is much more related to a wave 2. And yeah, and then possibly, of course, that we have here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your wave 3, then 4, 5. So these are the possibilities, guys. For today, of course, I still believe that we're gonna reach a little bit higher. Now, yesterday we said we're gonna have one more leg, and here we go. We got this one more leg, but yeah, I think it's not finished yet. Let me check on the 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished. Finished short and truncated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, possibly. Okay. Yeah, possibly finish it, possibly not. It's not a thing anyway. I mean, I mentioned that this price will be taken soon or later, meaning it can go up and then go back, of course, to take this price. It can take it from now. However, I think that, yeah, this impulse is done. Let's consider this done because, of course, it is risky right now. Just if you are a day trader, this is risky, of course, to just sell right now at the end of an impulse where the last leg has already finished with high amount of volume. Yeah, so I think, yeah, for today is gonna go a little bit higher for a retracement sooner or later and then come back, of course, for lower prices. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.